on Instagram. We'd love it if you would tag your Instagram stories with your location and with Big Bolt Media. Any storm-related footage that you get, tag Big Bolt Media. One, because we love storms, and two, because it has the potential to help keep others safe. So it's a win-win for everybody, and we just love to see more storm footage. Thanks. So we're out here chasing because it's called storm chasing. It's not called storm couching. We're out here. See that out there? That's what we're waiting on. So for this season of storm chasing, we've got an addition to the team.
What's up, everybody? We just want to show you the new BlackVue DR900S-2CH channel that we got given to us. They hooked us up with this, BlackVue did, and it's really awesome. It records 4K in the front, 1080 in the back, and we're gonna have this thing for all the storms we're gonna be capturing this year, getting rain, lightning, taking you on our adventures with us. So join along.
So hot in Florida, but that makes the storms. Here's a live look at Florida right now. Yeah, that's the typical day in Florida.
We just got this thing hooked up the other day. We're gonna show you some example footage now.
Right there. That would make a pretty rad composition. Like you could just walk around that fence, and there's 3 fake abandoned buses right there. That would make a pretty rad composition. It looks pretty good. The footage looks really good so far. And here's a little bit of footage from the front-facing camera at night. Again, we just had a chance to test this out once.
Yeah. We're gonna be on the tallest point in Florida when the fucking storm comes.
Oh, Schminkner. I think this is as far as we go.
I just wanted to get footage of him in the car. Turn off the lights, damn it.
We just got them, so we don't have much footage to show, but we are going to put them through the paces the next couple months with storm chasing. And the best thing about them is that so many times that we're driving, chasing a storm, and the lightning's just popping off all over, and we don't get it. But with this dash cam, we're hoping to get it. Just going to be another tool in our toolbox, in our toolkit. So, you know, we're going to put it through the paces. A lot of times when we show up to a location, the lightning just pops off right there and just scares the crap out of us. But if we have this dash cam going, then we can get that bolt. We can get us getting struck. So more benefit for you guys to tune in, subscribe, and watch these. We are going to put together an extensive video going over all the pros and cons of the BlackVue dash cam system once we put it through the paces in a storm season. So once we get a couple months of putting it, you know, to some really earnest storm chasing, we're gonna cut a video together and we'll go over everything from the voice quality to the best SD cards, the best frame rates to use, and everything, how to mount it, and the battery supply. And there's a whole ton of things to go over, and we'll do a long video about that once we get enough real-world experience with it in a couple months. So we're really looking forward to that and hoping to score some amazing lightning and storm footage with this new tool for our storm chasing toolkit. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, whatever the hell that means, and yeah, thanks for checking us out. Okay, so lastly, for this year's storm season, we'd love it if you're on Instagram and you're shooting a storm-related Instagram story. We'd love for you to tag the location and tag Big Bolt Media. That way it'll make it super easy for us to share with all the community, for the reasons being, number one, we love storms, and number two, it could potentially help keep people safe out there navigating storms in their area. So everybody wins, and please remember to tag Big Bolt Media in your storm-related Instagram stories. Thanks. Peace.